Welcome to this training video, where we'll guide you through the healthcare provider self-registration process step by step. At this point, you'd have received the hyperlink for the new eCARE system. You'd follow the link, and when you land on the login page, you'll notice options to register HCP and forgot password. To get started, click on Register HCP. Next, you'll be asked to choose a registration type. Select HCP. This will open up the form with all the required fields. Fill in all the mandatory details as shown on the screen. It is important to upload all required supporting documents where applicable, as these are mandatory for processing. The mandatory documents include a copy of the ID, a banking confirmation letter not older than 3 months, proof of registration with the BHF, a vet certificate, if the healthcare provider is vet registered, a power of attorney, if you are registering on behalf of a healthcare provider. Ensuring that all required documents are uploaded will prevent delays in processing and help ensure that the registration is completed successfully. Once that's done, move on to your physical and postal address. Click the plus icon to begin adding the information. If both addresses are the same, simply tick the box to confirm, then click Save. Now, let's capture your communication preferences and contact details. Click on the plus icon, which will open the form, complete the fields. It is important to ensure that the correct contact designation is selected when capturing contact details. Selecting the correct designation ensures that communication is directed to the appropriate person and helps prevent delays or misrouting of information. Always verify the contact role before saving the details to ensure accuracy. Once that's complete, click Save and continue to the next step. Here, you'll enter your banking details and save the information. When all sections are filled in, click Submit. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know that an activation email will be sent once your profile is approved. Click OK to finish. After approval, you'll receive an email with a secure link to set your password. Click on the link and a page will open where you need to set your password. Important: make sure your password meets the system requirements, then click Submit. Once your password is set, you'll get a second email confirming that your account is active. Remember, your username is your email address. Now that your account is active, you'll be able to log in. Because it is your first time sign in, you'll see the terms and conditions. You need to accept these to proceed. And that's it. You now have access to the portal with your practice details linked correctly. In the next video, we will cover how to view remittances.